In this video, I'm just going to show you an easy way that you can find buying keywords. Buying keywords are very important if you're trying to sell products. By targeting visitors that are actually looking to buy, you're far more likely, of course, to sell to them. So there are several buying keywords that you need to use. Now, these keywords will be in front of or behind the target keywords of your niche or product. Okay. Now, Google has given us an easy way to do this, and it is in the keyword planner within AdWords. So if we go AdWords keyword planner, okay, and then you'll see keyword planner here. Now you're going to have a AdWords account, which is free to set up. So you'll need a Google account, and then you will have to create an AdWords account as well. Okay, so you can sign in to AdWords here, and if you need to, you can create an AdWords account. So create an account up here. Okay, so I'm just going to sign in. Okay, so once you're into your AdWords account and you've gone to the keyword planner, then what you want to do is go to here, to go to search for new keywords and add group ideas. So click on that. Now in here, put the product or niche you're looking for. So let's say that we were looking for PLR ebooks. Okay, now if we just left it like this, it would find all the keywords for PLR ebooks. But we want to go a step further here. Come down to where it says keywords to include and open that up. Now I've included a list of buying keywords here. And we're going to take these ones at the top down to here. Now these two that I have stars besides, model number and brand name, those are specific to each niche. So, or pretty much each product, I guess. So if you were looking at a physical product, you might want to put the brand name of the physical product or the model number of the physical product in the buying keywords as well. But all you need to do here is grab this like so, do a copy, and then paste it into this box down here. Okay, so there we go. Now over here, just say get ideas, and it will chew on that for a minute and bring in some keywords. Okay, so here we have a graph of the search volumes by month, and then down at the bottom here we have our ad group ideas. So what it's doing is putting the keywords into groups, and then we have our keywords here. This is what we're really looking for. So this will give all the keyword ideas that I've found. And this is nice because it shows you the competition and a suggested bid. Now you don't need to particularly worry about bid unless you're doing pay per click, but it does show you the information you need here. Okay, so there's your list of keywords. So all you have to do now is download them. And you can download them in an XSXL as a CSV. Download. Save file. Okay, so there you go. And you now have your keywords. And now you can do any further analysis you want to do or use them as you like. Okay, so that's an easy way to find buying keywords and what their competition is within Google AdWords.